Good night. My name is Sandra Yolanda Gomez Cristancho. Was, would, I think if. I-70 of February on 2090, we traveled to Chiquinquirá for pain and promise. My mother, my boyfriend, I went 2 months. We endorsing there. I problem is I lost 50,000 in oil terminal of transports at Bogota. Before I start left to Chiquinquirá. When I rabbit was when I paint I breakfast. I miss escape. I owe short search in oil packing by mine. I fear boards disappoint. I pencil are all day. I may repent have not put by care to always money whilst war in oil packing. But now when artists ask where my boyfriend paint oil breakfast while my mother oil paint la lunch oil transport we up size I friends I cosigns money for rotate us. Me fair very boys because I buy a paint or money at all. I repeat, I'm not carry a more money bag for keep better my money. Thank you.